Volunteering with the USO was something I'd always wanted to do. Our daughter, she was stationed here at Fort Hood, so that was a perfect excuse for me to come up here and maybe even be able to have lunch with her every now and then. That never worked out, but you know, you just fall in love with it. Eventually, we talked him into becoming a USO volunteer as well. He didn't need much convincing.
I'm retired military, and it's become a very important part of our retired life.
I work on Friday. That's my permanent shift, more or less. And we do the welcome homes, and then Rick and I also do the flight lines.
My favorite experience, I think, is dealing with the RP6 guys. Some of them come in so motivated, so pumped up that it gets me pumped up. You know, it makes me wish I could do it all over again.
They have just become the epitome of what a volunteer should be. It gives us a minute to breathe while we know that the mission is in capable hands.
You know, I don't think there's anything that we do that they take for granted. Although it's okay with us if they do, because we want to be dependable enough that they can take it for granted. You know, it's there.
We're not here for the thanks, you know,
No.
we're here for the soldiers.
Yeah.
The thanks that we get periodically and the handshakes and the hugs and things like that, that's icing on the cake.
Oh, yeah.